Okay guys, the product we are talking about is this is the Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask, right? It comes with argan, avocado oil and milk protein, and you get 200 grams of product in here, and this costs 599 rupees. Now the price is little bit on the higher side, but no hair mask comes less than I guess 500 rupees. No good hair mask comes in less than 500 rupees. I have used the L'Oreal ones. They cost me somewhere 650, but I am definitely digging the hair mask more, and I would be updating you on the budget friendly hair mask. So subscribe for that, so you can subscribe my channel and you will be notified of some amazing content on that note as well. Now all of the Mamaearth product has been paraben free and silicone free till now. They have all been dermatologically tested and they have bioactives in them. Now there are some chemicals in them also to make the formula preserve for a long. So yes, they have some chemicals. You can read it from here. Now this is suitable for every men and women of all ages, dry, damaged, color and chemically treated hair. Every hair can use it. So if you got rebonding done, you got your color treated hair, or you have virgin hair, this mask is for every hair, and it's suitable for all hair types, especially curly hair. Now this is the claim which is actually questionable, because I used to have curly hair in the past, but we will see that it suits the curly hair or not in the end of the video. Let's just open this box, see what is inside this box, and then I am going to talk about my experience on this hair mask. We're gonna apply it, we're gonna see that how much good this mask is for you and your hair. Now the beauty of the hair mask is that they always come in big tubs like this, and all the Mamaearth hair masks, or if I say about the Journal hair mask as well, they come in big tubs like this. Now this is the tub that the hair mask comes in. It comes with the lid, and then we have a super secured another lid on this. Now if you open it, it smells good, and this is how the product looks like. I've used a quite generous amount of the hair mask. Now this is super soft. It looks like butter and all, but if I have to compare it with my favorite hair mask, which is the L'Oreal Liss Ultime, but there is another hair mask which has replaced every hair mask. That one is from Saint Botanica. I'm definitely gonna review it because that one is a favorite this time. I'm really gonna show you the reviews and result of that hair mask. But if I talk about that hair mask, that is really moisturizing, soft. But if I talk about this one in particular, this is not so much, you would say, malleable, or इतना ज़्यादा इसके साथ play नहीं करा जा सकता. That's what I'm saying. It's little bit sort of a thick moisturizer. It is not very soft, but it is a thick formula. It's not like a watery formula. It's more of creamy formula, if I would be putting it right there. So it's more of the creamy formula. Most of my hair masks are watery formulas. So we will just gonna apply it, because what the directions say, that part your hair in two halves. They have not written that you should apply it on dry hair or the wet hair. So I'm just gonna make my hair semi wet, or you can say we'll just dampen our hair, right? So we'll just dampen our hair and then do the masking. But they have say part your hair in two halves, then take a palmful of hair mask and apply evenly. Then you have to keep it for 15-20 minutes before washing it with a sulfate free shampoo. For extra dry and frizzy hair, use this mask twice a day. Now we're gonna use it, we're gonna generously use it on our hair, but we're gonna use it on damp hair, because they have not given a clear instruction on that you should use it on dry hair or damp hair or wet hair. But to be on the safe side, we're gonna use it on the damp hair, because when you use it on dry hair, because I have done that, that's what I'm telling you. So if you use it on dry hair, it just doesn't show up good results. So yes, I am going to use it on my damp hair. So let's just start applying the mask first. I have dampened my hair, and now we're just gonna start applying the mask. I'm gonna start from here and then I'm gonna go back. Maybe I'll fast forward this part, because I don't think so that application part would be really fun to watch. It would be messy, I guess. Now we have mask on and we're gonna keep it for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes roughly, and then we're gonna take it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. I'm currently using Mamaearth Rice Water shampoo and the Matrix shampoo, the blue bottle of Matrix shampoo. I'm alternatively using both. So we're gonna take it off with the Mamaearth Rice Water shampoo because I've used a product from Mamaearth, so it would be better to use a shampoo with the same brand. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna rinse it off, and then we're gonna come back. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and then we're gonna talk more about the mask, and let's just soak the goodness of mask for some time now. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just air dried my hair. I didn't use any dryer, anything. Definitely the hair looks smoother and much more silkier than before. So that mask was really effective on my straight hair. Now I'm just going to tell you my experience on the curly hair. On curly hair, this mask was not so apt. I didn't feel like that the results were super duper magical on the curly hair, because on curly hair the mask was it was not showing up the results or so, but on straight hair, I don't know, on straight hair it looks good. It actually makes my hair feel good. Also, there is one very strange thing about this mask is that you have to rinse this mask with shampoo. I think before shampooing your hair feel much more better, but once you just rinse off the mask with the shampoo, the hair again becomes little coarse, right, and little rough. So I definitely recommend you guys not to wash it with a shampoo. Shampoo your hair, then air dry your hair, and then just go with the mask. Then you can apply this mask and then rinse it off. Just keep a little difference between shampooing and masking. I guess that way it will show much better results. So my overall experience with the mask was that it looked good with the straight hair. With straight hair, the results were good. You feel hair are soft. When you touch your hair like that, you feel that hair are soft. They look like shiny, right? All the results are good. But in curly hair, you just don't feel the difference. I don't think this mask is for curly hair, because they have written so boldly on the cartridge itself that this is especially for curly hair, which I really don't feel like. So if you are curly hair girl, please don't buy this mask. I don't think so. It is very much effective on curly hair. So that was the whole review or experience on this hair mask. If you find this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye.